Welcome to Universal One, a development by Rendeavour, right here inside Alaro City in Epe, Lagos, Nigeria. Today is the key handover and also the open house day here inside Universal One. And I want to show you this beautiful and fantastic development happening here in the city of Epe, Lagos, Nigeria. So I want you to sit back and relax and watch this video to the end so that you can discover this amazing location and of course how you can take advantage of the offers we have available for you here. My name is Tranquil and I always bring you profitable investment properties here in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. If you are just joining our channel for the first time, do not forget to hit the subscription button and also share this video. Keep watching for more. We have the privilege of hearing from the developers of Universal One project inside Alaro City. And today, many families were excited to get their own unit of this first phase of this development. 2 bedrooms and 3 bedroom expandable to 4 bedrooms. I could see the faces on several families and the excitement of the investors who keyed into this project. And of course, you too can be a part of this dream come true. So if you are looking for apartments, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartments for business purposes, for investment purposes, or for your own home, then you are in the right place. This is Alaro City, the northern quadrant inside the free trade zone. And here we have the low density unit where people can build homes. And this is where, like I said, families, investors can own their own properties. Amazing place, I tell you. just like the excited families who got their keys today, I would also indulge you to take advantage of these current selling remaining units which are currently upcoming and will be delivered in a very short period of time. Here inside Universal One, we have 2 bedrooms of different range depending on your view. So we have from $87,950 to $93,950. So you can choose from these ranges of available apartments for your own. So here inside here, we still have 3 bedrooms that can be expandable to 4 bedrooms. So if you're looking for a bigger space, we also have that available. These structures can last the test of time. Just merely looking at it, you can know that this is a solid structure that is well built to last for a long time. So I'm indulging you, smart investors or people who are looking for opportunity to own a property in Lagos, Nigeria, especially in this strategic location in Epe. This is the time to take advantage of this current selling apartment. Fantastic offer, I tell you. You will be glad you did that. And if you are ready to get one of these units for yourself, please do not forget to book us for your own inspection so that you can come here and see things for yourself. And if you are interested, you can hit us on the WhatsApp message right there on our screen, and we can help you secure this amazing investment property and add it to your developing investment portfolio. Thank you very much for stopping by on our channel. We are glad to see you here today and for joining us on this open house day inside Alaro City. My name remains Frankilo, and it's always a privilege bringing you profitable investment projects right to your doorstep. Until we meet again, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And of course, bye for now.